Tallest tower. Okay.
Photos for the summer listings too.
Great.
Oh, we need it like.
Yeah, there you go. All right, it's the automatic peanut feeding machine, dispensing machine. Okay.
Okay, wait. There.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
And you have a person in your machine, which
will get fed.
yeah, and having a person in your machine gives you points.
Oh, it gives you points.
Gives you points, yeah. The person can't be operating the machine, but can be fed by the machine.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh man, and Joseph's machine, that's the most funny part.
Okay.
Also, we need to turn off the switch almost immediately, like when it's going, like after it goes, so that not too many peanuts fall out.
Okay.
Okay. Ready to set? Go. Oh no. That's okay. Actually, of all take two.
Take two.
Oh no.
Oh, it missed. All right, let's see it.
Okay. What time's the time?
Yay! Unscrew, and there are the peanuts. You got two peanuts.